Hi everybody, behind all these boxes is Sir Pierre, back another day with a couple of unboxing videos. I did some shopping yesterday at Solestory, and I was thinking of doing one long unboxing video, but I'm gonna do a couple of videos and yeah, talk a little bit about them and why I bought them, as always. So I hope you like my videos, and if you don't subscribe, if you're new here, whatever, please subscribe. Thanks. All right, so the table is cleared. I'm gonna start off with this one because these were the pair that most surprised me. It's been I can already say what pair of shoes it is. It's Air Jordan 4 Retro. They are called FIBA, some kind of basketball tournament, whatever. And I'm very glad that I saw these in hand. And the whole shopping trip that I did yesterday, I drove to Göteborg. It's like, for me, it was 6 hours back and forth. I'm very glad because Solestory has had 2 pop-up stores, I think, and I've missed them both. And that kind of bugged me, so I fixed sort of a VIP welcome whatever shopping thing, like the things you see on YouTube where people go shopping. So it was only me and the owner picking up shoes. Super cool. But it's been at least 2.5 years since I bought a pair of shoes in store. So usually I used to order my size US 12. I tried to see some videos in before from the other YouTube vloggers to see if the shoes are true to size and if they look in real life like they do in the colors. But when these came, I was sort of disappointed at the bread force, because black cement, whatever, the bread force are not good in quality. They're actually kind of bad in quality. The shoe looked great, no flaws or so, but just like on the Air Force One, when I bend my foot, it just cut in my big toe, just cut it right in. So when these came, first of all, I don't like the flags. I still don't. I prefer the ventilated thing that we have on all other fours. The mesh in the toe and on the sides. So even if they are not so very much ventilated, I still think that this was not for me, even though I really like red shoes. You should know that by now. I love red shoes. I thought, but oh well, I'll skip it. Nothing special. And I think most of you thought the same. And I think that maybe because the YouTube vloggers I didn't see so many reviews of these. I didn't see any, actually. Of course there were some, but I didn't even click on them. But the quality on these, when I saw them in hand, is just amazing. I usually say that the Dunk from Above is the best quality leather force Air Jordan 4 ever. This is a great shoe. This was also very underrated. Nobody cared about these. But this quality, I've never seen a quality like this on a Air Jordan 4. This is super nice. And the color is really red, not that pale orange pink thing. This is really red, really good leather, and the blue is good. It's not black. It's not sort of sun faded blue. It's a good blue, navy blue, royal blue. For the love of the game, it says in the sole. There is some kind of point of these FIBA basketball tournament, whatever. But for me, it's a red shoe, Air Jordan 4. Always nice to have an Air Jordan 4 with super good leather quality. And the golden Jumpman is just a icing on the cake. That's really good. So I'm gonna do a close-up and try to show you the leather. But these shoes are still available almost everywhere in every size. And I say don't skip out on these. If you want red shoes, which most of you want, I think, but if you want an Air Jordan shoe with great leather quality, this is it. The 2019 is the year of Air Jordan 4, and we have had we have a lot of releases, but to the leather quality, this is the best over the whole year. I think my light is too bright, but I'll try to show you anyway. You see the tumbled leather is very soft. The toe doesn't even get up again. But the whole shoe is like this everywhere, not only the toe box. So everything is this tumbled leather, very soft leather, very, very nice. And it doesn't smell too much. We don't have that quality leather smell in them, we don't. But it's premium leather. It absolutely is. So this is a soft shoe. I won't have this problem with these that I have with the Bred Force, where when I bend the shoe, they're gonna cut in my big toe. So yeah, this is a very great buy. So if you're thinking of getting them, but you're unsure about the quality, you really don't need to hesitate anymore. The quality is premium. It absolutely is. And this is not limited, not special, no quick strike, nothing like this. Yes, it is a new colorway. We have a theme, the FIBA thing, but you can buy them just anywhere, I think. Solestory still have them in a bunch of sizes. So, yeah, super cool shoe. I think I'm gonna do a on feet, just for fun. It's been a while. Well, maybe I should do a real unboxing video like everybody else does. So you see this print that we have here, instead of the mesh net, are flags. It's supposed to be flags. I don't see any flags here. Here we have the stars and the moon and whatever. But it's flags from all over the world. And we have blue laces. They look black, but they are blue. White laces. And I think these shoes would look great with the white laces. But I prefer monochrome, like all colored shoes. So I'm going to keep the reds, of course. These parts also look black, but I'm supposed to... I think they are blue, but they look sort of black. The inside as well, red bottom, blue interior, and it says "For the love of the game." It's nice. For some reason I thought this was only going to be GS release or Asian only or something, but we got them everywhere. So please like the video, subscribe, thumbs up. Now on feet. I think that the lighting here is maybe not optimal, but use a quick one. They were used as comfortable as I thought. I will not have any problem with them hurting my big toe. But I want to say that the Air Jordan 4s from 2019 have been sort of different in shape. Usually I think that the Air Jordan 4 is perfect in width because I have wide feet. The newer shoes, or actually just this year, 2019, they are a bit longer and more narrow. I wouldn't change the size, but if you usually go up a size because you have long feet, you don't need to, because these shoes are long. And width, they're just fine with me. Maybe if you have very narrow feet, you could go down in size. I think that's the best explanation I can give you. I would not change the size because of the width, but they are a bit long. So yeah, I hope that helps you out. But most important, they look great. They really do. I hope you like this video. I hope you don't think it's too long. So on to the next video.